Hey team! This was not at all what I had on the schedule for filming for you and posting for you. However, my life has become a bit of a mess. So I really want to get on top of my space and life before I move on. So to give you a little look at what we're dealing with, oh, it's embarrassing. Okay, there is this mess, and then there is also this mess, these messes here, and a bunch of other areas which I would like to tackle today. There's also a bunch of errands I need to get done. There's also filming I need to do, so I figured, why not do a life admin day? I have also already been rock climbing this morning, which I didn't film, but it was at 5 a.m. and I didn't think I'd be doing this video today. So I did rock climb, and then when I got home at like 7 a.m, I went straight back to bed and woke up at 11, so clearly I needed that rest. That was important. But now let's try and tackle the rest of my day.
The first thing I like to do with my day is to sit outside with my planner and my dog in the sunshine and start my to-do lists. This is where I record my daily gratitude. It is where I think about what I need to get done for the day and a couple of my goals. First step on that to-do list was to organise our eating area, which is the first area you see when you come into the house, which is why I wanted to start there.
Okay, I've done a little like table tidy. Now, unfortunately, the thing with the table is that my husband is currently building this dude, and I have no concept of if he is finished or not. I thought he was. Then I looked at this and there's still more little decal stickers on it, and I'm not game to get rid of his extra stuff. That's a loud truck. So I'm going to keep that kind of as is. It's not as tidy as I'd like, but it's fine. Let's move on to the next problem child.
So obviously the biggest area to tackle in the house, or at least one of, is the kitchen. As you can kind of tell, my cleaning style is very haphazard. I tend to find one thing and then I'll see something in my peripheral and be like, I'll just do that now, and then go back on. So for the majority of cleaning the kitchen, you'll notice that I am in fact just filling the dishwasher. Because so often I would find other little tasks that I would do. One of the things that I wanted to point out in this clip is a couple of my reusables which I adore. The sponge I'm currently using to do my dishes is one of the ones that I bought at the very start of this year, and it's still going strong. I think that was a pack of 3 and I've only used the 1 so far. The next on one of my favourites lists is this weird green thing that I'm cleaning. This nifty little item is both cling film, baking paper, and can also work as alfoil. It's pretty great. To clean my benches, I decided a long time ago that I was going to switch to vinegar and water, and it's been working out great. Also here you'll notice that I'm using my unpaper towels, so my reusable cloth wipes. Big fan.
I have to say, I love having a tiny house and a tiny kitchen because that takes no time at all. So we have clean dishes and big things drying. And clean benches. And then rubbish to go out, but I'll do that in a sec. What I'm gonna do now is make coffee because I need a second one to get me through today. Woo!
So here I thought of another couple of things that I need to get done during the day, so I thought I'd write them down. Steaming milk takes forever, so I thought I'd just speed this one up for you. Yum yum. I also noticed I was running low on sugar, so I put the bowl over to the side to remind me to fill it. Bon appetit! Before I sat down to do my coffee, I figured I would also load up the washing machine, so then it could start on its cycle before I was just sitting down doing nothing. As you can see, I do have clothes stored in multiple places around the house to fill up a full load. I'm very excited because my husband is letting me declutter his wardrobe, which means I want to get him down to base 0 of everything clean so that I can look at it all in one go. So I was really trying to focus on getting all of his clothes in this wash. I'm so keen for that video, I can't wait for you guys to see it.
Okay, washing is on, dishwasher is on, kitchen is clean, eating space is tidied, sort of. So I figured I should, oh, that's terrible. I figured I should just do a little check-in of where I'm at on my list, have my coffee, and then keep on keeping on. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you, I did just spend a bunch of time on TikTok. So, rather than do that some more, I am going to shower and reset, because one of the things, I know I've spoken about it on this channel before, but one of the things I believe in is if you're starting to slide downhill in your day, pretend it's a new day, restart. So I haven't actually showered today. I got home from rock climbing and fell asleep. And then went straight to housework. So I am going to shower, refresh, change out of like rock climbing wear and exercise wear and restart. So I'm gonna go do that. I am showered, I am feeling much more awake, I am feeling a little bit cute, and now it is time to get on to the rest of it. So, what still needs doing? You know what, let's tackle the rest of this main room, which is pretty much just the sitting area, tidying. And then we'll move on to the real problem children, which are the office and the bedroom. All right, let's get to moving. Tidy. All right. Next, we have arrived in the bedroom. This mess. I think I want to do a lot more rearranging in here. Rearranging. Clearly the bed is the majority of the room. So that's gonna stay. It's more just like there's these piles of things that I don't like and would like to be somewhere else. But I think to begin with, I'm just going to tidy it, make the bed. Yes, Kobe? Yes, buddy? What? Oh, is that where you go, huh? You're gonna make it difficult to make the bed, mate. Say hello to the nice people. Hello, nice people. Here's Kobe dog. All right, I'm gonna get to organising. Excuse me, mister. Can you jump off the... I mean, already that looks way better just with a made bed. Okay, so I've dealt with like the clothes down there, but there's still this like pile of stuff in the corner and those guitar casey stuff that I'd like to put somewhere else. And I think that's gonna be a put in the back of the cupboard type situation. So I'm gonna leave this for when I want to rearrange furniture, because I have some ideas of the rest of the house as well, and this. So I might need to keep mulling that over before putting that into action. So now is last on the list, which, let's be real, is the one that is most in need of tidying. And a lot of the stuff that has been like messy in other parts of the house actually belong in this room, so I've just ferried it to there to deal with in one go, which is the office. Here we go. So on the office floor, I have workout equipment, a blow-up mattress thing, bedding from when Mum stayed, and then Alex's area is looking nice and neat. Mine, however, just stuff all over the joint. So let's try and tidy this mess. Okay, so, lighting might be weird. This is also my novel I'm writing. It's got lots of planning stuff in here. Okay, donezo! So now the floor is clear. Ooh, apart from like cords, but that's fine. This is neater. This here though, one is a painting that was a gift from Alex's aunt and uncle, which is just beautiful and is gonna go on our photo wall that you can see out there. And this one is one that fell down. So that's on my list of jobs today. But I'm very happy with the state of this room at the moment. So that's office donezo.
Before I finished off in this room, it was important that I measured up my pictures because I'm going out shopping soon and needed to get the right size frames.
It is time for a break. So I was just gonna sit here and watch Castle, because I'm nerdy, if you haven't noticed by our images on the wall. However, I'm me, so I can't just sit here still. So I'm also going to meal plan and to-do list write as I think of more things to get done today. I'm gonna close this door because our next door neighbor is building a house. So. Another thing to add to the list, dust my vacuum cleaner. Hey friend. Kobe's all very like, nah, it's not for you. I am back from the shops. I have done a bunch of stuff. We have purchased frames. Before you judge me for the size of the pack of toilet paper, restrictions go in tomorrow, and this was literally one of the few packs they had left was giant size, so it was that or nothing. Why people are hoarding at the moment, I have no idea. And then groceries. So I'm going to unpack this. Okie dokie team, it is cold, it is late, and I have to go to dinner with friends of mine. So I think that's actually where I need to leave it today. I will leave you here, and the rest of the things will get done a different day. You can't always cross off everything on your list. That's the way life goes. Thank you for spending today with me. I hope that it has made you feel a little bit more productive and like you can do stuff in your house, get your things ticked off your list today. And yep. I can't think of what else I actually say in these videos. So, as always, thank you so much for hanging out. Live a productive, awesome life, and most importantly, one that suits you. Peace.